Hello, have a good day. Uh, Today we are seeing what are the features of the PHP. Uh, Obviously, we are having a number of programming languages out there. Uh, it is or we maybe wonder why we would want to use the PHP at our development for the web programming. So, what are the reason behind that? And that reasons is nothing but is give the features of the PHP. PHP is open source and free. The first feature, the first reason why PHP is to be chosen by a number of developers for the web programming. Another one is short learning curve. What short learning curve? Short learning curve as compared to other programming languages as JSP, ASP, etc. Because it's very easy to learn. So its learning curve is very short. So everyone can be used the PHP. Okay, and another large community documents. There are number of the community documents is to be available to solve the problems, to give the help of the developers. A number of documents of the community which they have to be providing the different libraries, or you can say the different functions. Rich functionality is there. Most web hosting servers support the PHP. This is the another benefit, or you can say the reason of selecting, because of the most of the web hosting servers support the PHP by default, unlike other languages such as ASP that requires or that need the IIS server. That makes the PHP a cost effective choice. Another, update regularly. PHP is regularly updated to keep at least to keep abreast with the latest technology trend. Another, besides this, other benefit is that it is a server-side scripting language. This is the another benefit, or you can say another reason. That means that you need not to install it. Okay, at your computers. Only we have required to install it on the server, and client computer is just requesting the resources from the servers. Do not need to have the PHP installed. So only web browser will be enough for the client side. That is the another major reason for selecting the PHP. Now another, PHP has inbuilt support for working hands with the MySQL. This doesn't mean that we can't use the PHP with the other database, but it comes with the, just like in the package of WAMP or XAMPP, that inbuilt it contains the MySQL. Still, the other database management systems, it also the PHP you can use with still with the PHP. That is the Postgres, Oracle, MS SQL Server, ODBC, etc. Another feature is PHP is a uh, cross-platform. This means that you can deploy your application on a number of different operating systems such like Windows, Linux, macOS, at anywhere. So due to these different reasons, the PHP is widely used in the world. So if we see in terms of market share, there are over 20 million websites or more than applications on the internet developed using the PHP scripting language. The number of PHP popular sites, that may be the social sites just like the Facebook, Dick. When we talk about the blogs or CMS, then that is Joomla, WordPress. When we talk about the e-commerce websites, then it may be the Magento, or we can say it's PrestaShop, etc. Some others also, that is Yahoo, etc., etc. So these are the popularity of PHP sites. Okay, thanks to you.